Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into an exciting AI agent in the Delaverse playground, the automated code review assistant. Imagine having an AI sidekick that reviews your code, spots bugs, suggests improvements, and even notifies your team, all automatically. It's a game changer for developers looking to boost code quality without the hassle. What's the automated code review assistant all about? This AI agent uses smart AI to analyze your code files, catch errors, improve security, and optimize performance. Whether you're building apps for fintech or just streamlining your projects, it saves time, reduces mistakes, and helps your team deliver better software faster. No more endless manual reviews. Let AI handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on creating. How to get started in Delaverse Playground. Getting up and running is super straightforward. Head over to playground.delaverse.ai and log in with your Delaverse account. Once you're in, create a new project and name it something like My Code Reviewer to keep things organized. From there, you'll drag and drop nodes onto the canvas to build your AI agent. It's like assembling a puzzle that does the work for you, breaking down the key parts. Let's walk through the main building blocks of this AI agent. Each one plays a crucial role in making your code reviews effortless. Code retrieval using Google Docs. Start by pulling in your code files from Google Docs. Just connect your Google account, pick the document with your code, works with Python, JavaScript, or whatever language you're using, and the AI agent grabs it ready for review. It's like having your code delivered right to the AI's doorstep. AI-powered review, the heart of it. This is where the magic happens. The AI assistant node takes your code, runs it through advanced checks for bugs, security issues, and best practices. You can even customize what it focuses on, like speed for busy apps or safety for financial tools. The AI doesn't just critique. It suggests fixes and refactored code to make everything shine. Output the improved code back to Google Docs. Once the review is done, the AI agent writes the polished code back to a new or updated Google Doc. It keeps the formatting clean and readable, so you can see exactly what's changed and implement those upgrades easily. Team notifications via Telegram. Don't let great insights sit idle. The Telegram node sends instant alerts to your team with a summary of the review, highlighting critical findings. Set up a bot once and boom, everyone stays in the loop without chasing emails. Keeping track of your reviews. While this AI agent focuses on automation, you'll love how it tracks everything through your outputs. The reviewed code docs serve as your log of improvements, and Telegram messages give quick snapshots of issues found, like fixed 3 security vulnerabilities. It's all about visibility, so you can monitor progress and see your code quality soar over time. The real wins. Benefits that pay off. Think of the time you'll save. No more late-night bug hunts. This AI agent cuts down on errors early, leading to fewer costly fixes later. For teams, it means higher quality deliverables that impress clients and speed up launches. Plus, with consistent standards, your projects become more maintainable, reducing long-term headaches and letting you tackle bigger ideas. Why you'll love it. Empower your dev journey. In the end, the automated code review assistant puts AI smarts at your fingertips, catching issues before they grow, educating your team through smart feedback, and keeping everyone aligned. It's all about clarity, efficiency, and that satisfying feeling of cleaner code. Ready to automate your reviews and supercharge your development? Jump into the playground today and build yours. Your future self and team will thank you.